Okay.
You gotta do it, Tristan. Oh, you're eating a Cheerio. You can't do it right now, huh? He's munching.
You're trying real hard, huh, though? There's nothing going on over there. You're the best kid ever.
Are you eating Cheerios? Where's the DVD remote? Oh, it's in the middle of the floor over there. Maybe if we put the movie back on or something. Maybe it was the music in the movie that he was enjoying. Nope, mine.
You're so excited. Look at mommy. Mommy.
You just fell. I don't want you. Wallow, wallow, wallow. You're funny. Whoa, whack. Do it, dude. He's not. Do it. God. I don't know what's funnier, us doing it or
It's us until he does it.
Quit falling on me.
It's like Tristan had a few beers, dude. Where are you going, dude?